Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing a quick review of YOMU AI. So YOMU AI claims to be the ultimate essay AI, paper AI, academic writing AI assistant. Don't stress about deadlines, write better with YOMU, the best AI for academic writing, and simplify your academic life. So let's get started. Now, it's an AI writing assistant primarily designed for academic and research writing. On the plus side, it excels in areas like citation management, helping users easily find, insert, and format references, and even auto-generates bibliographies. It also offers very strong multi-language support and features like paraphrasing and summarization, which can be very helpful. The interface is generally clean and user-friendly, making it accessible for students and researchers focused on structured writing. However, some users have noted that they have limitations in YOMU's AI's core AI writing features, occasionally finding the output to be less natural or requiring significant editing. The grammar and style checking can also be less granular compared to dedicated tools. Additionally, fully utilizing all its features might involve a moderate learning curve. Despite some areas for improvement in the AI generation quality, YOMU AI still stands out for its specialized academic features, making it a valuable tool for streamlining the research and writing workflow, especially when it comes to handling citations efficiently. Hope you found this video helpful.